Traffic and transport are the vital arteries of our industrialized world. Many millions of tons are transported every day. Building material delivery has its own rules. Building materials have to be delivered just in time, in all weather, and often under difficult terrain conditions. For these tough jobs, Palfinger developed the Krailer truck-mounted forklifts CR 45, CR 50, CR 55, CR 65, and the CR 50 Paul Reach. All models reflect the latest advances for specialized transport logistics. A model range which meets the requirements of building materials delivery better than any other. The Krailer CR 45 is, like all the other CR models, an extremely maneuverable forklift. The unique steering system allows a 180-degree wheel turn. It can circle in its own shorter radius for unrivaled operating flexibility in tight spaces. The CR 45 stands out by virtue of its very low dead weight and a powerful air-cooled 48 horsepower diesel engine. The 26-inch tires ensure that the forklift will travel well even over very difficult ground. A Krailer CR can be stowed on the rear of a trailer in less than a minute. For truck or trailer applications, Palfinger supplies an optimally adaptable mounting kit. All Krailer CR series units have a short overhang, depending on the model, of between 53 and 60 inches. Model for model, the shortest in the industry. The center of gravity and transport position is moved closer to the truck axle, which means there is less strain on the truck or trailer. In transit, the Krailer forklift is protected from road bumps by using its tires as shock absorbers. All hydraulic pressure is released, so the mast and hydraulics bear no load. In building materials delivery, time is money, and so the Krailer CR is ready for duty in less than a minute. The clear view mast and ergonomically arranged controls enable the work to be done quickly and safely. The hydraulic controls are amazingly fast and smooth. The additional comfort is reflected in a higher performance level. The central seat position gives the operator easier on and off access, a more stable feel, and in combination with the clear view mast, a much better view for driving and judging load centers. The controls are in front. And the foot area is large with plenty of leg room. Speed, torque, braking, and directional change are controlled by two pedals. The CR 50-55, as well as the CR 65 and CR 50 Paul Reach units, are equipped with an air-cooled 4-cylinder 64 horsepower Deutz diesel engine. An engine of the latest development generation, It meets the requirements of the Tier 2 EPA emission standard and therefore achieves very low exhaust values. It is one of the most powerful on the market and highly fuel efficient. The built-in preheater ensures easy starts in winter. The synchronized three-wheel drive is outstanding. All three tires have the same size and rotation speed, which means reduced wheel spin, improved climbing, and rough terrain capability. Twin-lock wheel motors deliver more power to the ground. No need to rev up. They guarantee a drive power for which snow and mud present no obstacle. The efficient all-wheel drive, the power reserve of the strong diesel engine, and the optimal axle load distribution give the Krahler CR a climbing capacity of over 30%. Time is money. That's why it's important to have an efficient team to optimize the loading times in the lumber yard. The driver has to negotiate a narrow access road and a lack of space at the unloading point. No problem for the operator and his Krahler CR50. The CR can turn on the spot and safely unload the heavy construction timber from the truck. The drive system can be steplessly and very finely controlled so that the material can be transported safely on uneven ground. It takes just a few minutes to unload and place the building materials where the customer needs them. The optimal controllability of all movement functions, the stepless all-wheel drive, and the power of the 64 horsepower diesel engine result in very fast working procedures. The special mounting kit ensures simple and safe uncoupling and coupling of the Krahler, reducing setup times on the construction site to a minimum. In less than 15 minutes, the truck is already on its way to the next construction site. Many tons of different materials have to be delivered when a new building is under construction, and most deliveries have to be made just in time. This is a job which can definitely be handled more quickly and cost efficiently with the Krahler CR, as reported by experienced contractors who previously used other makes. Because in many important details, the Krahler offers excellent and above all practical solutions. With the Krahler, it is possible, for instance, to drive right up close to the trailer. When the support legs are being lowered, the tires cannot be damaged, as often happens on other makes, due to protruding supports. The large and sturdy supports are integrated in the frame, and therefore protected. On the move, the cylinders retract into the frame, so they do not catch on curves or rough terrain. In the same way, the hydraulic motors of the wheel drives are protected by solid steel covers. The closed chassis protect the components from any damage. All important parts, such as filters, pumps, pipes, and hoses, are perfectly covered. To save weight, the frame is made of high-quality, fine-grained steel. It is particularly robust and torsion-resistant. The three-pump hydraulic drive system allows wheels, mast, and steering to operate independently. A hydraulic oil cooler extends the life of the oil seals, ensuring long operating service without any loss in performance. Trailer transportable forklifts are developed and manufactured by Palfinger at its Küstendorf plant in the province of Salzburg. The basis is provided by a tradition of excellence and decades of experience in the manufacture of high-quality loading equipment. Only high-quality components are installed. Engines, valves, and lift masts are supplied by top manufacturers. The Küstendorf plant is certified to ISO 9001, and all production processes have their own quality assurance system. Before series production starts, all prototypes undergo extensive continuous tests. Thousands of load cycles simulate years of tough practical service. Any forklift transported on the rear of a vehicle is exposed to the weather, and in winter operation, there is the additional problem of road salt. This is why every trailer is provided with first-class corrosion protection. Each individual part is sandblasted. In the subsequent immersion processes, the parts are degreased, rinsed, activated, and zinc phosphated. Then, in the three-zone cataphoretic dip process, a closed coating is built up, which matches the quality of car paintwork. The dipped parts are baked at 160 degrees and then powder coated. After powder coating, the final finish is applied in a further baking process. In terms of quality, the paintwork meets the standard usually applied in car manufacture. In designing the Palfinger CR series, Palfinger engineers started from the ground up to build a better, next-generation truck-mounted forklift. They took proven advantages to a new level of safety, performance, and service, with features that set trailer apart. The hydraulic pumps are directly flanged on. All components are located where they can be easily serviced and are easily accessible for maintenance with the engine hood open. The battery and hydraulic filter are also well protected and positioned for easy access. Palfinger sets new standards with the PAL-REACH system for job site deliveries. The Trailer CR50 PAL-REACH has a greater reach over the loading area of the truck than any other comparable system. As the job sites get more and more crowded, the PAL-REACH offers easy one-side unloading of the vehicle. leading companies more and more recognize that a Palfinger trailer offers the best method for delivering their products. As an additional advantage, the overhang of the CR50 pawl reach in transport position is smaller than on other transportable forklifts. Small building sites too want to be supplied cost-effectively and on time. In some situations, this is only possible with the proven and flexible technology offered exclusively by the Trailer CR. This unloading point, for instance, is so narrow that the trailer has just enough room between the truck and the embankment. Thanks to its short design, in combination with the unique steering angle of 180 degrees, the trailer can turn on the spot, and even in this situation, unload the long lengths of timber from the truck. This is an unloading situation which transportable forklifts with a lower steering angle would hardly be able to handle. Experienced operators who have had experience with a wide range of makes appreciate the central seat and clear view mast on the Trailer CR transportable forklift. Anyone who has used a Trailer CR will no longer want to be without the central seat position and increase driving comfort. In the high season, deliveries start in the early morning. On some days, the first consignments set off in the dark of night. A CR is equipped for these situations with a set of lights. In the building materials trade, time is money. Only those firms which can deliver more cost efficiently and quickly will be able to expand their client base. A Trailer CR is definitely needed on major construction sites. Small job sites also need the flexibility of a Trailer CR. The ability to offload materials where the customer needs them will increase business through better customer service. A Trailer CR provides the best opportunity for doing so. A unit offering the speed, power, lift capacity, and maneuverability needed to deliver building materials over rugged terrain through crowded work sites into tight spaces with ease and reliability. There is no doubt that Palfinger Trailer has set new standards in the development and manufacture of high-performance and particularly economical truck-mounted forklifts. In the comparable sector, the Trailer CR series is today without doubt the most modern and efficient transportable forklift generation on the market. Applications engineering superiority, operating comfort, power, and the hydraulic drive system set a Trailer CR apart from the mass offering of the market. An innovative concept geared to tough practical duty. This is why the Trailer CR models are becoming increasingly well known on American job sites. Satisfied customers are impressed by the trailer's cost efficiency and report their positive experiences. Experienced operators give top marks to the Trailer CR. They refer to it as the best transportable forklift that they have ever used. Trailer, the better solution.